Today we have a very quick challenge called final value of variable after performing operations. This is LeetCode 2011. We have a programming language with only 4 operations and 1 variable called x. The 4 operations are listed here. We have a pre-increment, a post-increment. Both of them increment the value of the variable x by 1. And here we have a pre-decrement and a post-decrement, both of which decrement the value of the variable x. Suppose we have the initial value of x as 0. We are supposed to go through a vector of operations and determine the final value of x. If the initial value of x is 0, then this operation decrements it to -1. This one increments it to 0 because -1 plus 1 is a 0. And we have another increment operation, which means that x is now 1. Here we have x equals 1 with this operation. Then in the second operation, x equals 2. And then here, x equals 3. So the final output is 3. And here we have 2 increment operations. So x here is 2. And then here we decrement x. And then again here, meaning that x is now back to the initial value of 0. So this challenge is very simple to solve. We don't need a special data structure or anything. We only need to return an integer. So at first we can create a variable. I'm calling it the answer, which I intend to return from this function. Then I can use a for each loop in C++ to iterate through my vector. And at every iteration, I'm going to grab the string to find out what is the operation. I'm checking here. If it's an increment operation, then I'm going to increment the value of my integer variable called answer. If this if statement does not evaluate to true, it means that we are dealing with a decrement operation, and therefore I'm also going to decrement the value of my variable. Finally, I can return the answer. Let's run this code. We've passed the 3 test cases here. So I'm now going to submit it. And we've passed everything. If you like my solution in C++ and you want more coding interview questions to practice, please subscribe to my channel and I'll catch you next time.